So now that we know how to create tickets through the live chat, through the regular ticket overview, and also the chatbot itself through automations, you also might want to see some analytics about certain lists, right? And that is exactly what you can do with the view option. We already discussed it in short a few times, but you can create a new view out of each individual list. So how you can do that is by going back towards the dashboard. We can then, let me get myself out of the way. We can go towards tickets again. And from the views, you can see that we set up those three or those two, right? So we have ticket by priority, ticket status, and then we also have the all items overview, as you can see here. Now, by adding a new view, so let's say ticket analytics, and let's say we want to sort by status, right? So resolved, still in progress, and stuff like that. So let's say ticket analytics status. If we go with chart, we are now able to group by a certain section, and that can be by priority or status. Let's go with status. Under the chart settings, we can also have some current items chart separate, so custom titles that we can give. I will leave it as is right now. And we can also say show or not show, right? So you can see that you can hide it if you so wish. So if we hide it, and we're now going to create this view, you will see how this view will basically show. If we say we are going with today, you can see nothing is showing, right? So if we say, okay, we're going to go with current items, new items, and change logs. Let's name it as such. And if we save it now, we will get analytics. So as you can see, these are current items based by status based on created date. And this is something that you can also change. So if we just change the chart type, you can see that you can change the values that way. You can also have this kind of chart type, and you can also have it like this. So that's totally up to your own preference. You can also change the stacked option. So you can change it from vertical to horizontal to have that kind of overview. That's totally up to you. You can also, under the hamburger menu, you can download every single chart that you see as a SVG, PNG, or CSV file. So that is also possible. But this allows you to see real-time analytics as new content is being basically dropped into those lists. Currently, I only have 4 tickets, right? And you can see I have 2 resolved, 1 in progress, and 1 resolved. Oh, 1 resolved, 1 in progress, and 2 new tickets. And that will reflect anywhere as well. If we scroll down, you can also see new items created with status in a different kind of overview. Basically, it's the exact same overview, but this can be customized under the settings here, right? So that is something that we can do as well. We can also add additional conditions that will manipulate the analytics, but that is a test by test phase where you can see if you can create different analytics that way. But in general, you can see that you can have some really good overview, really good analytics. You can download them, add them towards your own Google Data Studio chart overview, analytics overview, or into your CRM if they support import by CSV, for example. A lot is possible, and you can see that you can use these ticket analytics settings to your advantage as well to get more insights of what is happening inside of your lists.